Hey guys, before the video gets started, I would like to show you guys how you guys get notified on when we upload new content, whether it being beat videos, tutorials, or beat sessions. Just go to the subscribe button, click it, you'll be subscribed, and then click this, send me all notifications for this channel, save. And what that'll do is you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now time to get into the video. What is up, everyone? It is Andrew Pure here at Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new Audular course. I made a video about this before, not too long ago, but I figured I'll bring you guys a new video because a lot of stuff has changed in this course. So just to start out, over here in the announcement tabs, you can go ahead and get a MIDI kit. You could get and then one of the course kits. The course kit has more of the drum samples and such, and the MIDI kit has a whole bunch of different MIDI files that you guys could use to pretty much jumpstart your beat making, get ahead, and then also see good chord progressions, good melodies, as well as using pre-made hi-hat patterns, 808 patterns, and much more. And you guys can deconstruct it and pretty much change it up. So as before, you can go to the course or message me. We also have a live chat, so if you guys are on the course while I'm on the course, we can do a quick live chat and discuss different things. Let's just go into the module, because this is where a lot of the stuff has changed over in the module section. So pulling up modules, here's module 1, here's module 2. It's like a drag and drop, not drag and drop, but like a scroll wheel. Better than the last UI that we had. So then module 3, module 4, and so this is how you guys are going to be able to get your content that I released for you guys whenever we aren't going to be doing a live session or whatnot. We're still working on the live feature, but that will be coming out relatively soon. But on the module 1, you could go ahead and click here. It's going to take you right into module 1. And inside module 1, you could go to the video, look at some of my favorite VSTs, understanding the piano roll and functions, a deeper look inside FL Studio. So module 1 being the more basic topics of music production. And then module 2, we'll be making our first beat together with a sample, then making chords, then making a beat revision. So it's coming back to a beat and making some changes. Module 3, making a Travis Scott beat. This is actually one of the beats that is on my beat stores. So if we open up to module 3, if you want to pull it up. So let's say go to the finished beat. My internet's a little bit slow right now. And then you guys can also submit your name and email in a message about it. So this is actually the finished beat that we made in this whole entire video.
Beat It AT, what up?
So yeah, that's the video that we made. I mean, not the video, but the beat that we made in the course. Let's see if I can go back. Back to module 3. Alright, and then so then the mixing, the structuring. So everything is actually structured for you guys, so you guys actually get like a good understanding of everything. Module 4 is done. We actually make an NBA Youngboy Kodak Black type beat. I'm actually going, and then module 5, I'll be pulling up different dynamics on improving yourself. I already have a video done about to be coming out for me revisiting some of my older beats and like kind of going through like, wow, this is like not that good, and like talking about how you guys could get better and giving you guys actual examples of a bad beat and a good beat. Not many people really do that, but I have all the beats I've ever made from the very beginning when I started all the way to now. So I'm blessed that I have that, because now I can revisit those horrendous projects and pretty much show you guys how I improved from that to get to the point where I am now. And then I'm actually going to be having more drum kits and more MIDI files as well as loops coming out on the course, so you guys will get more downloadable content. I'm also always available to reach through my course. So if you guys, as you guys being students of mine, if you just fill out your name and email and your message, I'll get right back to you. So there was a problem earlier before where we were not, I wasn't getting the messages, but we fixed that now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna put the link down to the course sign up in the description down below, as well as the course information. I'm going to be continuing uploading content on the YouTube page, but I figured this is going to be the extra step for those that want to really double down on getting better and excelling their progression. This is like me coming to you guys, giving you all the tools and information that I have so you guys can improve. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is Andrew Peter here, and I'll see you guys later.